Hey friends, what is good? Once I spoke to somebody who told me this. Every time I receive a new model, I have to fix the same recurring issues, which is time consuming and frustrating. I feel you. Fortunately, for me, I don't have to do that because I can give feedback and the things are getting fixed if it's an important thing most of the time. But in this kind of situation, there are more things you can do. Again, I'm assuming you are speaking about IFC models, okay? So I think if you implement some important things in your workflow, you can save a lot of time. And I think for this specific use case, IDS can play a huge role. Why I'm saying that? I don't know who's sending you these models, but what I would do, if it's possible, if not, I will try to find a way for that. I would create IDS and I would try to convince the collaborator, whoever it's sending you these models, to check them before they send it. Okay, so there are two issues, but this is only the first step. You are going to identify, using the IDS, you are going to identify what are the issues, okay? And that's one thing. That doesn't mean that doesn't always mean that these issues are going to be fixed, because you might end up with another challenge. They don't know how to do it, they don't care how to do it, or they don't want to fix it. So how you deal with that, I don't know, that's a tough one. But what you could do, if you really want to avoid having to fix these things, you could teach them. If you learn how to do it yourself and you show them how to do it, there is a increased chance that they are going to do the same for you. If you can tie that somehow into contracts and have some penalties or stuff like that, that's something that you could use, of course. Hopefully you have. If not, in the existing projects, you and your company should think about this for new projects, right? So this is what I would do. I think IDS is a godsend specifically for this kind of situation. You just have to find a way to convince those who produce models to check them before they send. I think this is hugely important. And I see that becomes the direction where the public clients in Norway are moving to. Because that's what they do now. They provide requirements and they also provide IDSs for their requirements. I don't know how the contract look, but I guess that's the reason why they provide these IDSs, to ask everyone involved in the project to quality assurance, to run a quality assurance check with the IDSs before they deliver anything. So this is what I would do. If you think this is something it's helpful or not, let me comment and tell me about that. If you don't know where to start on this journey, if you think it's too complex and everything, we are here to help. Bonsai Bootcamp, it's something specifically tailored for this, to support people, to support AEC professionals who want to become comfortable at working with IFC and IDS. So yeah, that might be something for you. You find the link in the description, just fill out that form and you'll hear back from me. Hoping this was helpful, at least to some degree. I wish you good luck and I'll see you in the next one.